Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got another beautiful vintage Coach bag to share with you, and today's bag is this beautiful duffel sack. So as you can see, this is a rather large size bag. I think that sometimes this bag is also referred to as a feed sack, but I do think that the official name is just Duffle Sac, and the style number was 9085, and this specific bag is in the color black, as you can see, and it was made in the US, and I would estimate, judging by the creed, that it was made in the 80s, but I'm not 100% sure about what year it would have been made. But anyway, I'll go ahead and give you a close-up of the bag now. So as you can see, it's a pretty large size bag. It's a shoulder bag as well. It's got a shoulder strap, and can also fit quite a bit. It's a very large bag. I actually had to use a ton of packing paper just to stuff it, to get it to retain the intended shape. So it's very large, probably the largest vintage Coach bag that I personally have come across. So here's the other side, looks about the same, and here's the side, and then I'll show you the bottom so you can get a better idea of the size. So it's a pretty big bag, and then I should also mention that this one doesn't come with a hang tag, unfortunately, and it looks like the original owner of the bag actually had the strap, like the end of the strap, sewn to the bag, and I'm assuming they did this because sometimes the strap ends would like curl up, which doesn't look very attractive, unfortunately, in my opinion. So I'm assuming that's why they would have sewn down the edges of the strap. So unfortunately, the strap is not adjustable at this point. You can't take it out unless you remove the stitching, which I thought about doing, but unfortunately I think it would leave little holes in the leather from where it was stitched in, so I wouldn't probably recommend doing that. So unfortunately the strap isn't going to be adjustable anymore, but the trade-off is that the end of the straps won't curl. So in my opinion, I don't hate it. I think it's actually kind of smart to do that. So that is one small alteration that was made, so I guess it's not 100% in the original condition that it would have been sold in, but I don't think it's a huge deal. But anyway, that's what the bag looks like, and then here's the top. I don't think I'm going to open the bag and show it just because it's kind of hard to film because it is so large, but I will go ahead and insert a photo of what the inside of the bag looks like, and I will also insert a photo of the creed. So as you can see, it's got a pretty clean interior, and then also here's the picture of the creed, so you can see it was made in the US. But yeah, anyway, that's the duffel sack. It's a beautiful bag. I'd say it's still in pretty nice condition, just a little bit of wear, but nothing major. I should also mention that I do have one other duffel sack listed in the Etsy shop right now, so I will link the main Etsy shop link below if you wanted to look for that bag as well. So I've got two of these right now, but I will leave the direct link to this one below in the description box, as well as all the information on this bag that I mentioned earlier in the video if you want to refer to that. But otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.